Hi guys, welcome to Lit and Comp 2. Today I want to spend some time going over your persuasive writing project. We are wrapping up our persuasive writing unit and you will be writing your own paper on a persuasive topic of your choice. So we picked a topic in our L12 intro to the writing project last week. Don't worry if you reflected and you want to change your mind, you still can. So I'm going to go step by step with what is expected for this project. Step one is to choose your topic and decide your argument if you're for or against the topic. You can pick your own school appropriate topic, but if you have writer's block, here are some ideas you can choose from. Remember that you can be for or against any of these topics. Cell phones in elementary schools and high schools, students wearing uniforms, college athletes being paid to play, the elderly receiving free bus rides, state colleges being free to attend, the voting age being lowered to 14, violence in video games, the driving age being raised to 21, cities offering free public Wi Fi, people being able to keep exotic animals like tigers, corporations advertising in schools, unhealthy fast food sold with a warning label, government placing tax on junk food, high school students completing community service to graduate, schools starting later in the morning, using cell phones while driving, getting ticketed for not wearing a seatbelt, or everyone under the age of 17 having a 9 p.m. curfew. So remember, you can write for or against this topic of your choice as long as it is school appropriate. Step two is that you will be writing a 5-paragraph essay for or against this topic of your choice. Each paragraph needs to be 4 to 6 sentences in length. In paragraph 1, you'll be introducing your topic and argument. In paragraphs 2 through 4, you'll be using persuasive propaganda techniques to support your argument. And in paragraph 5, you're going to restate and sum up your argument and conclude your essay. In this essay, you need to include at least 4 different propaganda techniques within your writing. Be sure to highlight them within the writing and then in parentheses state which technique was used so we're able to see the different techniques used properly in your writing. The propaganda techniques you can choose from are bandwagon, repetition, transfer, testimonial, logical fallacy, fear, glittering generalities, card stacking, plain folks, name calling, and emotional appeal. Now remember, you need 4 separate techniques used in your writing. Here is an example of what your writing could look like. So in this example writing, I wrote about the power of recycling. So you can see I have my intro. Have you ever felt like you're missing out on something big? And I start to talk about recycling. Your persuasive techniques should be highlighted in your writing. So here I have, don't miss out on this opportunity to join forces with the millions of others who are already working to create a cleaner, greener world for future generations. I highlighted that and then I put in parentheses that this was bandwagon to show that I was able to use bandwagon in my writing. Then I have another one here where I say, for instance, Emma Watson is an advocate. Her choice was an extreme example to wear a dress that was made of entirely recycled material. You can see that I highlighted this entire portion because this was a testimonial, and then I put in parentheses that this was a testimonial to prove I know how to use testimonial in my writing. Another one that I use is recycling. So I said recycling is easy and convenient and accessible to everyone. Recycling has never been so simple. The minimal effort it takes to recycle with recycling bins. The repetition is the technique being used here with the use of the word recycling numerous times. So you will be using 4 propaganda techniques within your writing, highlighting them, and then putting them in parentheses after. And then you can see your closing paragraph here. Make sure after your writing is complete that you review your writing project rubric to see that you've met all of the correct parts. So this rubric is based off of a 75-point scale. So paragraph 1 is your intro paragraph that's worth 10 points. Make sure that it's engaging, it has a clear context, a thesis, an argument. Your body paragraphs are paragraphs 2 to 4. They are each worth 10 points, so 30 points each. Make sure that each paragraph is 4 to 6 sentences long and has those persuasive techniques. Then paragraph 5 is also 10 points. There's the conclusion, wrapping up the essay and restate the argument and leaves a lasting impression. You will be receiving 20 points for your persuasive techniques, 12 points for 4 persuasive techniques being used, 4 points for the persuasive techniques being highlighted, and 4 points for the persuasive techniques being labeled and in parentheses. And then 5 points for spelling and punctuation. Be sure to check this project for correct spelling, grammar, and punctuation. When you have done step 1, 2, and 3, be sure to complete step 4, which is to upload your writing here to this assignment when complete. So you can do this just in a Word document and upload it to the assignment. Note that this writing project also comes with an opportunity for bonus points. So you'll be able to present this in live class for extra points. And please feel free to let me know if you have any questions. I am here to help.